And next problem is f of ABC equal to pi m of 0, 1, 4, 2 by using the K map. Here pi m indicates the max terms. These are the max terms. Pi m represents the POS form, product of sum. Okay, these are the max terms. The given input variables are A, B, C, that is equal to 3 input variables, and find out the number of cells. Number of cells is equal to 2 power of n, since n equal to 3, that is equal to 2 cube. We draw the 8 cell K map. The input variables are A, B, C. We draw the 8 cell K map. Decimal numbers are 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, in given problem, max terms are max terms is there. The first max term is 0. Here the cells are filled with zeros because the given problem is POS form. The 0 cell is 0 and first and next fourth one and next 2 cell, second cell. Okay, and 0 cell is filled with max term. That's why I am indicating the 0. How to grouping here? First we prefer the 8 cells grouping, and next 4 cells, and next 2 cells. This is B bar, C bar, B bar C, B C, B C bar. This is A bar, A. Okay, here the grouping is 0, 4. This is first group. In first group, B bar, C bar, and second group is 0, 1. And this is second group. This is A bar, and vertical B bar, C bar, B bar, C. That is B bar. And third group 0, 2. This is third group. In third group A bar, B bar, C bar, B, C bar. C bar is the common variable. The given problem is POS form. That's why this is F bar. The first group is B bar, C bar plus second group is A bar, B bar plus A bar, C bar. The given problem is POS form, product of sum. Then convert this equation in POS form. How to convert? What are the conditions? First we apply the De Morgan's law. What is De Morgan's law? In De Morgan's law, the first case is end sign is changes to R sign. Okay, in second one R sign is changes to end sign. Okay, in third case the uncomplement is changed to complement, and complement is changed to uncomplement. These are the 4 conditions for De Morgan's law. Now apply the De Morgan's law. F double bar equal to, apply the complement B bar, C bar plus A bar, B bar plus A bar, C bar whole bar. First we write down the individual equations. F double bar is the F equal to B double bar, C double bar plus A double bar, B double bar plus A double bar, C double bar. Okay, then it is F equal to B C plus A B plus A C. Okay, and next apply the end sign is changed to R sign. Here end sign is changed to R sign, that is B plus C end sign is changed to R sign, and here A plus B, and next A plus C. This is the POS form. And next, therefore f of A B C equal to B plus C, A plus B, A plus C. This is the final equation. Okay, this is the POS problem. And next problem is f of ABCD equal to pi m of 0, 3, 4, 7, 8, 10, 12, 14 plus D of 2, 6. Here D indicates the don't care, and here pi m indicates the max terms. So the given problem is in POS form. Okay, first you write down the given input variables. Given input variables, they are A, B, C, D, that equal to 4 input variables, and find out the number of cells. Number of cells is equal to 2 power of n. Since n equal to 4, 2 power of 4 indicates the 16 cells. So we draw the 16 cell K map. And given input variables are A, B, C, D. C bar, D bar, C bar, D, C, D, C, D bar, A bar, B bar, A bar, B, A, B, A, B bar. The decimal numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, in given problem is max terms is there. So the first 0 cell is filled with 0. 0 cell is 0, and third cell is 0, and fourth cell is 0, and seventh cell is 0, and eighth cell is 0, and 10th cell is also 0, and 12 and 14. Okay, these are 0 max terms, and don't cares are only 2 and 6. So don't care is expressed in x. Second cell is x, and sixth cell is also x. We are grouping the first preference is 8 cell grouping, and next 4 cells grouping, and next 2 cells grouping. Okay, we are grouping 0 with x. Okay, we are grouping the 0, 4, 12 and 2, 6, 14. Okay, these are the first group. In first group, the common variable is C bar, D bar is a, C, D bar is a. Common variable is only D bar. And next group, 2, 3, 6, 7. This is second group. In second group, what is the product term here? A bar, B bar, A bar, B. That is A bar. In vertically CD, CD bar. C is the common variable. And write down this is given problem is in POS form. That is F bar equal to the first one is D bar plus A bar C. Then apply this is SOP form. Then convert the POS form. How to convert? Apply the De Morgan's law. What is De Morgan's law? The first one, end sign is changed to R sign. R sign is changed to end sign. R sign is changed to end sign is changed to R sign. And next, complement is changed to uncomplement, and uncomplement is changed to complement. Okay, first apply the F bar, F double bar, D bar, A bar, C. Okay, and next F double bar is F. We write down the individual bars, D double bar, plus a double bar c bar, nf d double bar is considered d plus a c bar. Then apply the r sign is changed to end sign, d into r sign is changed to end sign, d into here in end sign is changed to r sign. Okay, this is the final equation. Therefore f of a b c d equal to d into a plus c bar. This is the final equation. Okay, these are the problems on K-map. 3 input variables and 4 input variables. We are using the don't case also.